Today, we're diving into the world of one of nature's most fascinating and colorful creatures, the flamingo. With their vibrant pink feathers, long legs, and graceful necks, flamingos are among the most recognizable birds on the planet. But they're more than just pretty birds. They've got some seriously cool behaviors and adaptations that help them survive in some of the toughest environments on Earth. You can find flamingos on every continent except Australia and Antarctica, often standing tall in wetlands and lagoons, like nature's own works of art. Why are flamingos pink? Here's a fun fact. Flamingos aren't actually born pink. Baby flamingos start out gray or white, and it's only as they grow that their feathers turn that signature shade of pink. So what's their secret? It all comes down to their food. Flamingos eat algae, tiny crustaceans, and plankton, foods rich in carotenoids, which are pigments found in plants and animals. These pigments build up in their bodies and eventually give their feathers that rosy glow. And the more carotenoids they eat, the brighter their color. In fact, flamingos in captivity are often fed special diets to keep their feathers looking fabulous. Without those pigments, they'd fade to a pale white. Pretty wild, right? How do flamingos survive in tough places? Flamingos are tough cookies. They can thrive in places most animals wouldn't even dare to step into, like salty lakes, wetlands, lagoons, and estuaries. Their long legs help them wade through deep water, and their specially shaped beaks let them feed in a way that's totally unique. Flamingos actually flip their heads upside down to scoop up mud and water, then use their built-in filtration system to sift out tasty bits like algae and shrimp. Some of these wetlands have super high salt levels, but flamingos are built for it. Their kidneys are so efficient, they can even drink salty water. And when fresh water is hard to come by, some have been spotted sipping from geysers or melting snow to stay hydrated. Talk about adaptable. What's with the flamingo dance? One of the coolest things about flamingos is how social they are. They live in huge colonies, sometimes thousands of birds all together. And when it comes to romance, flamingos know how to put on a show. During breeding season, males and females perform synchronized group dances. We're talking head flagging, wing flapping, and marching in perfect unison. It's like nature's own dance-off. Once they've found their match, flamingos build a simple mud nest and usually lay just one egg. Both mom and dad take turns keeping the egg warm, and when the chick hatches, they feed it something called crop milk, a super nutritious fluid they produce and regurgitate for their baby. Flamingo parenting at its finest. Are flamingos in danger? Right now, flamingos aren't officially endangered, but they're facing some serious challenges. Their wetland homes are disappearing fast because of things like pollution, climate change, and human development. Without these crucial habitats, flamingos could face big trouble in the future. That's why conservation efforts are so important. Protecting their homes means protecting the flamingos and keeping this incredible species around for generations to come. Final thoughts. So, flamingos, they're way more than just beautiful birds with pink feathers. They're survivors, social butterflies, and living proof of how amazing nature can be. From the food they eat to the way they dance and care for their young, flamingos are true marvels of the animal kingdom. And by helping protect their habitats, we can make sure they continue to thrive. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help spread the word about the incredible wildlife we share this planet with.